In this video, I'm going to show you how to play that riff that I call Moody Rock 1C. We're going to cover the rhythm, what fingers I use. Let's just jump into it. So we're going to start with this little... That takes up the entire first measure. The timing can be a little tricky for people who are new to rhythm, but it's not difficult. And we get a closer look at it. We're doing the same action over and over with 3/16 notes. 1 E and, doing a 3 hammer onto 5, down to 3 on the A string. And we're just repeating it over and over again. But where our timing changes is where it gets a little difficult, because we're going 1 E and, A to E, and 3, then E and then 4 E and. So we want to think 1 E and, A to E, and 3, E and 4 E and, with that last note being a little extended. So we're first going to start with just the little, and what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to flatten my first finger on top of the E and the A string on that 3rd fret right behind the fret. And I'm going to go 1 E and, first doing the hammer on for 1 E, so that's 1 E, and then I'm just hitting the string below, the A, with and, then I'm already holding down with my index finger. That way I'm not jumping up and down, kind of like that, but I want to keep it flat. And I'm only holding down those 2 strings. I'm not holding down all 6 strings or anything like that. And then we're just repeating that action over and over again. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and. And that last and is tied over to another 16th note, making it more like an 8th note. So and we're holding that last and . So we first want to get comfortable with the. And when you have that, now we want to add in the actual counting. Even if you have to break it up to start, 1 E and, 2 E, and 3 E and 4 E and then that extra note at the end. And when that's comfortable, then try to speed it up a little bit. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and When that's comfortable, then move on to the next measure. And when we get to the second measure, we're going to start with the little. So with this one, we're starting off with the grace note, and that's going to be our 1, the 5 slide 7. And I'm going to use my ring finger for that. 1. So again, it's my ring finger for 1. Because when we end that, our ring finger is already hovering over that 5th fret A string. So it's really easy to just go 1. And that's going to last for a dotted 8th note. So that's going to be E and. So it'll be 1 E and. So if I'm ending that 4 E and 1 E and. Following that, we're going to do the of 1 with vibrato on the 5th fret of the D string. So if I'm doing just that one part, starting the second measure, it's 1 E and Again, that's 1 E and That 5 is tied into a quarter note, so that's going to last our 2 E and And then we're going to start the third beat with a 7 on the D string, which we're going to use our ring finger. So if I'm starting from the 5, it'd be A, 2, E, and 3. So now I'm going to do the second measure so far slowly. 1 E and 2 E and 3. I'll do it one more time. 1 E and 2 E and 3. We're going to hold that 7 on the D string for another dotted 8th note for 3E and then we're going to land on Ah on the 5th fret of the D string. So we're going back to our index finger. So that'd be 3E and Ah. From doing the 7 to the 5. 3E and Ah. So second measure. 1E and Ah, 2E and A, 3E and Ah. One more time. 1E and Ah, 2E and A, 3E and Ah. We then have an 8th note rest, and we're going to do the and of 4, so it'll be and Ah, on the 7th of the A string, which we'll move our ring finger up to. 4E and Ah. So if I'm starting from that 7 on the 3rd beat, 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah. Again, that's 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah. I'm going to do the whole second measure now. 1E and Ah, 2E and A, 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah. And then one more time. 1E and Ah, 2E and A, 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah. Now if I combine those two measures together, 1E and Ah, 2E and Ah, 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah, 1E and Ah, 2E and Ah, 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah. So here in the third measure, we're going to do a 1E, 2/16th notes sliding from the 7th fret to the 5th fret on the A string. Our ring finger is already at that point on the A string. So we're going to go 1E. It's not a grace note, so it's not a quick, but a 1E because they're both notated, both 16th notes. So we're going to go 1E. So we're going to hold that for another 16th, making our and end on the Ah of 1 with another hit of the 5 along with some vibrato. So that's like 1E and Ah. So if we're doing that last measure, 1E and Ah. So now I'm going to do the second and the third measures together slowly while counting out loud. 1E and Ah, 2E and Ah, 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah, 1E and Ah. So now let's try it again a little faster. 1E and Ah, 2E and Ah, 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah, 1E and Ah. And once you have those down, just put them all together. Do a little slowly at first. 1E and Ah, 2E and Ah, 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah, 1E and Ah, 2E and Ah, 3E and Ah, 4E and Ah, 1E and Ah. And when you've gotten it down slowly and it's pretty comfortable, just try speeding it up. 1E and A, 2E and A, 3E and A, 4E and A, 1E and A, 2E and A, 3E and A, 4E and A, 1E and A. With just a little bit of practice, this riff is going to be easy for you. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you want to learn more guitar, please subscribe. Just remember to have fun and happy practicing.